What's up traders? I'm about to spill the beans on two TradingView indicators. We're going to fire up backtesting session that'll knock your socks off. You'll see for yourself just how well these indicators perform in the wild world of real-time market conditions. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. First things first, open up the TradingView platform. Then pick any chart your heart desires. No worries. The strategies got you covered on any chart and time frame. Now head over to the indicators tab. It's time to unleash the first powerhouse, the amazing oscillator AO Algo Alpha. Just pop that name into the search bar and voila, it'll be ready for action. Now here's the secret sauce. We need to tweak the default settings to really make this thing sing. Just click on the little gear icon next to the indicator and we'll dive into the indicator settings together. Don't be shy. Explore these settings is half the fun. You can always pause the video if you need the moment to catch up. So let's fine tune this baby and get ready to conquer the trading world. Before we dive into the second indicator, I just want to give a shout out to my channel TradeGenius. Here, we're all about sharing killer trading strategies that are not only profitable but also super easy to use, and the best part, they're completely free. We're in this together and I'm committed to helping you crush it in the trading world. So if you're digging the vibes, show your support by smashing that like button and subscribing for more game-changing content. Alright, let's keep this train moving. Look up at the top of your screen and you'll spot the indicators tab. Give this bad boy a click and you'll see a search bar just waiting for you to work your magic. Now our next secret weapon is the purple cloud indicator. Just pop those words into the search bar and it'll be like you've unlocked a hidden treasure. Before we hit the ground running, there's one more thing we've got to do. We need to fine-tune the purple cloud indicator settings to make sure it's in perfect harmony with our trading style. Just give that gear icon a quick click and you'll dive right in together. Hold your horses, traders. Before we kick off our strategy, let's take a quick second to get a feel for the market's main trend. Here's a handy tip to help you out. If you notice that EMA 50 is chilling below the EMA 200 and the price candles are hanging out below all moving averages, a solid sign we're in a downtrend. And if you spot the EMA 50 above the EMA 200 and the price candles are hanging out above all the moving averages, that's your cue that we're in an uptrend, my friend. Get ready to discover the trading rules that'll help you make smart moves with these fantastic indicators. Alright, let's break down the steps for spotting sell trade rules. First, keep an eye out for the first red histogram bar that dips below the zero level after a few other colorful bars. That's your cue. Next, double check that you're in a downtrend by checking the EMA 50 below the EMA 200 and the signal candle hanging out below all the MA lines. So if everything checks out, time to jump on that sell position. But hold up, let's talk risk management so you can trade smart and stay protected. Set a stop loss using a recent market swing high or one of the moving average lines as your guide. Safety first, right? Now for the fun part, aiming for those sweet profitable targets. Set your trade target at 1.5 times the distance between your entry level and a stop loss level. That way, you're shooting for a solid reward while keeping risk in check. Now you've got it. Let's run through the steps for identifying buy trades. First, keep your eyes peeled for the first white histogram bar that pops up above the zero line after a few other colorful bars. That's your green light. Next, double check that you're in an uptrend by spotting the EMA 50 above the EMA 200 and the signal candle hanging out above all the MA lines. So if everything's lining up, it's go time. Open the buy position. But remember, always manage your risk like a pro. Set a stop loss using a recent market swing low or one of the MA lines as your guide. Safety first, profit second. Now for the exciting part, locking in those juicy profit targets. Just like before, set your trade target 1.5 times the distance between your entry and a stop loss level. And guess what? We tested the strategy on a gold chart on a 15-minute time frame, and we made sure that the possible wins were 1.5 times bigger than the possible losses. This is where it gets exciting. In 100 trades, the strategy won 77 times. That's huge. It made a total profit of 149%. We tested it for 13 weeks, and at one point, it won 16 times in a row with only 4 losses in a row. Plus, for every dollar we risked, we made $5 back. And the biggest loss was only 3.94% of our total money. That's pretty amazing, right? But don't just take our word for it. Try this strategy for yourself and see how it can boost your trading game. And check out the recommended video on the screen if you need to double your money by trading.